Let me help you understand what a personal injury claim is. A personal injury claim involves a couple very important aspects. Number one, it means that someone has been injured. If you have been injured, you may have the right to a personal injury claim. What is important is if you've been injured in an incident is to consult with an attorney, no matter how you were injured, because an experienced attorney can help you understand if you actually can recover money from another person or party. Number one, need to have an injury, and number two, need to have someone to recover from. It was somebody's fault. The goal of an injury claim is to recover money for your injuries and medical treatment that you received directly related to the incident. Your injuries don't have to be just physical. Your injuries are also your mental and emotional state and injuries related to the incident. Now, there are some very common types of injury cases that a lot of people are aware of. Let me list a couple of them. Car crashes, motorcycle crashes, slip and falls, trip and falls, injuries related at work, injuries related to the use of a product, dog bites. Those are some of the main ones, but people get hurt in a lot of different ways. And so again, you or someone you know is injured, it is always smart to consult with an attorney or do some research because there may be a way to make a claim for those injuries. Now, there are a few steps that apply to every injury case. First off, every injury case involves medical treatment. So if you've been injured in some way, physically or mentally, you definitely want to go to doctors who can substantiate those injuries. Now, there are some injuries where doctors can't provide any types of specific medical treatment or surgeries. But even in those situations, you want to be documenting with a doctor that you're still in pain. And so even if you're in pain, but a doctor's told you there's nothing I can do, still very important once a month, once every couple months, be going to your doctor, some kind of medical professional that can document what you're dealing with on a day-to-day basis. Also, it's very important in every injury claim to gather evidence related to the incident. What was the environment like that caused the injury? Very important that you keep the product, or that you take pictures of where you fell, or that you took photographs of the cars involved in the crash. Also very important that people miss a lot, taking photos of your injuries. So your bruising, your cuts, your scrapes, your blood, your bruises, your bumps, all very important in gathering evidence to support your injury claim. The final two parts of every injury claim is a negotiation, where you're making a demand and the insurance company involved is making an offer, hopefully, and you're able to negotiate and then settle your case. So those two final pieces, the negotiation and the settlement, are also generally in every injury claim. Very important to have an experienced professional guide you through negotiations and settlements to make sure you're getting a fair offer. Finally, and again, it's just very important that you consult with a professional that has been involved in this industry for some time. The values of cases can be different, vastly different, depending on every situation. Every person's unique, every injury is unique. There's so much uniqueness in every case that you need someone who's experienced, that's done this before, to really guide you and make sure that you are utilizing all your legal remedies that are available to you to maximize your compensation. I'm attorney Big Game James Urrutia, owner and founder of LJU Law Firm.